I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is that time of the year. The Sephora savings event is coming, and I'm just gonna give you some recommendations that I feel like maybe you might want to throw it in your cart. You can take it, you can leave it, but if you want to know, let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna run through makeup, body care, and fragrances all in one video, just because y'all know I don't like dragging stuff out. Okay, first up for primers, baby, of course, Danessa Yummy Skin, the universal shade. I love this as a primer. I know I keep talking about how I need to try one of the actual shades as foundation. It's just other foundations come and, you know, they take priority, and just here we are. But this as a primer has never steered me wrong. I need to go ahead and throw one in the cart myself because I'm not playing. This is my third one out of this one. That's Holy Grail primer at this point. Another primer which is still very new to me, but I know like it's gonna be a Holy Grail primer. This One Size Oil Sucker primer, baby. Ooh, I can't really be playing with me. Oily skin, and I'm talking about oily skin, like you are really trying to control it. You know, you live below the equator, you live somewhere where it's hot. Go ahead and put this in the cart, because I don't know what Patrick put in this, but when it says oil sucker, wasn't playing. And another one that I've been using a lot recently is the Makeup Forever Hydra Booster. So I am using it. I do have it on today as well, and I feel like with that oil sucker, you get some hydration back in my face. So, and Makeup Forever, like their complexion products are not ones to be slept on, so this is a really good primer. Okay, for foundation, y'all know I try not to recommend too much of the same old. Y'all know what some of my favorite foundations are, and I will link other recommendation videos that I have, but I had to put it in here because I have not put it down since I picked it up. Why is there product coming out of you? I'll figure that out. The Patrick Ta foundation, I'm pretty sure it's been the foundation I've been wearing in every video you've seen since I tried it for the first time. I wear the shade 26 Neutral. Stunning foundation. Literally get comments, compliments every time I wear it in videos and in real life. The LYS Stick foundation, y'all know I got a love-hate relationship with stick foundation, so if I find one that I like, I gotta talk about it. This is in the shade DPP1, and I can also use the shade that's above this one. I don't remember what that's called, but definitely want to check out. And then y'all know like NARS literally makes some of the best foundations out. Yeah, they probably make the best foundations out there. I went back to using the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, another stunning foundation on the face. Okay, concealer, this is probably my favorite concealer right now. It is the Fenty We're Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer. I use it in the shade 400N. This is my brightening shade. It's bright on the eye, but long wearing, it just looks good on the face. It blends in really nicely with multiple brands. Y'all know Givenchy is like that first concealer that really made me say, okay, maybe I do like concealer, because y'all know back in the day, like I was never really wowed by concealer. I just didn't find the right one, and that was because of this Givenchy Prisme Libre skin caring concealer. I use it in the shade N390. And then honorable mention, I'm not doing that, like I'm not intentionally thinking of like 333 for different categories. It's just how many I'm pulling. This is the Gucci multi-use longwear concealer. This is bright. The Fenty is like a bright that I use every day. The Gucci is a bright shade that I really feel like being extra that day, and this is in the shade Medium Deep 41C. When it comes to powder, I've literally recommended like all of them: Sephora Micro Smooth, One Size Powder, Huda Beauty, Danessa Myricks, Pat McGrath, Laura Mercier, the honey shade. So instead of going through all of those, let me just tell you about this one right here. This Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Soft Blur Setting Powder. When it says soft blur, however, we can stop with this type of packaging. This like white packaging that y'all can keep that, okay? I'll take the product, but y'all can keep this type of packaging. Thank you. Y'all know I love me a good Rare Beauty blush, but these Huda blushes, what are these called? The Blush Filter Liquid blushes. First of all, pigment on these, amazing, and they smell amazing. They smell like lollipops. It might be the smell that's also getting me, but this is the shade Watermelon Pop. very cute on my skin tone. Don't sleep on these, I'm telling you. Okay, and setting spray, the Makeup by Mario, probably SurrealSkin something. SurrealSkin Soft Setting Spray. This is a good like in between setting spray, but you could also just like cap everything off with this as well. But I just, again, oily skin, like using the L'Oreal to just kind of cap everything, and then I use this in between like foundation, concealer, powder, all that good stuff. I am skipping some categories because I literally don't have anything new to talk about. Same old, same old. Again, I will link the other recommendation videos in the comments down below. Lips, I kid y'all not, I am literally wearing some form of Fenty Gloss Bomb. I own all of them. Buxom's plumping glosses as like lip toppers, so that's why we just scrolled right past that. For lip liner, this molasses shade from Sephora in their gel lip liner is what I have on today. Literally one of the perfect brown shades. And then another lip liner I would recommend is the Fenty Beauty one. This is the darkest shade. So if you want that like almost borderline black, and you use me as a shade reference, then this is the shade that you would get for that. But they have the shade above this, which is more like this Sephora brown shade, that I would also recommend as well. Now, don't say I didn't warn you. Once you put this on, you got about like 20 to 40 seconds to blend it out, and then it's not moving. It's not going nowhere for the rest of the day. Okay, now for some skincare. I'm not joking when I say a majority of my skincare routine is Glow Recipe, but specific shout out to this Glow Recipe Avocado Moisture Barrier Cleanser. Really gentle cleanser, like it does the right amount. I feel clean afterwards, but when you're using so many masks, so many exfoliants, so many serums, all that, like the cleanser I feel like is the one place like I can do a little less. Oh, hold on, this is available at Sephora. This is the Benefit Get Unblocked Pore Clearing Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. That's another reason why I don't go that hard with the cleanser that I use, because I use it in combination with an oil cleanser and an oil makeup remover. Baby, this, I done had people try this, so it's not just me. This is gonna get the makeup off. This is gonna get the makeup off by itself, but like this and a cleanser, you're gonna make sure you're really, really clean. I didn't know Benefit had skincare until I tried this out. So definitely an oil makeup remover cleanser to check out. Okay, and like I said, most of my skincare is Glow Recipe. So toner, Glow Recipe. Eye cream, Glow Recipe. Moisturizer, Glow Recipe. So some skincare that is not Glow Recipe. This is from Clarins. This is their double serum light texture. I promise a little goes a long way, because I've been using it enough to see changes. Y'all know when I saw my skin looking real leathery, real snakish, I said, oh, let me stop playing and get back on my skincare routine. So this is one of the serums that I have been using. Yes. And then the only other like well, that's Bodycare, but y'all know the point. This is the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist Deodorant. I like how this smells. A lot of people say it smells like baby powder, I think. I do think it has that kind of like powdery smell, but like under my arms is one place I don't mind it smelling like that. I like how it smells to me, and it does what it needs to do as far as not being funky like an hour later after putting this on. Now it is like a $30-something deodorant, but this is also the time where if you're gonna buy a $30 deodorant, that's the time that you buy it. This is literally the best body butter you can get at Sephora. Best one, hands down. It is hydrating to the skin. It smells good. Like banana eat? That's how much I have left of this one. If y'all know, I stocked up the last time that I got these. Laffy Taffy, I think, is how I describe it when I talk about it. But literally just one of the best that you can get, really hydrating. And you know, we're going into winter where it's easier for you to get ashy, so get it. And of course, let's recommend some fragrances that you can pick up, because they be retail, well, full size to be retailing for like over $100. So go ahead and get you that 20% off, 15%, 10% something off during this time. You already know some of my favorites: the Burberry Her, Burberry Goddess, every Kayali fragrance, Dior Hypnotic Poison, the one in the little red like apple-ish shape, Killian Princess, Killian Love Don't Be Shy, Commodity Milk, The fragrances that I just recommended in that video that I posted about fragrances, if it's available at Sephora, go ahead and get it during this sale. Those are the ones that are coming off the top of my head. But Flower Bomb Tiger Lily, y'all know I'm getting in, I'm dipping my toe in to more floral fragrances, but this, that ferocious floral. It's outside. This is a very outside fragrance. If you're asking why didn't I spray it on myself, I already have perfume on today. But like I said, just like for Tiger Lily. This is a floral that I can do, but it's like outside. It might be a little bit more summer, but if you get it now, you'll have it in time for next spring, summer. I know I just said Kayali, but to be specific, the Velvet Santal. First of all, fragrances where I can like actually smell like velvet. I don't know, it just does something for me. And going into winter, I like that. And I don't know if y'all know, but Ponytail is available at Sephora now. Her fragrances, and these fragrances do not miss, okay? What do you call? Child, they got this one and the pink one at Sephora. I don't remember what they're called. This is the one, are you the one that's a floral? No, you're the one that's more vanilla, right? Ooh. Yes, this is the one that's like the sweeter, more, ooh, right in my nose, more vanilla-y one. And then the pink one is like the, my nose please, is the floral one. If it's a Ponytail fragrance, I recommend it. I like them. Someone did ask me if I have smelled the new ones that she has. So I did smell the Cloud Pink. It smells like cloud-ish, but it's definitely a lot more sweeter. The only reason I didn't pick it up like right off the, is it was really sweet. Like really sweet. I ended up getting a different fragrance, but I will get that at some point because it's still good. It's just if you don't like too sweet of fragrances, think sweet on the level of like Juicy Couture-ish, might not like that one. I have not smelled the new one called like Love Note or something like that. I have not smelled that one, but that's also available at Sephora. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my Sephora recommendations. Anything else that, you know, I just like kind of mentioned in passing during the video or anything like that will be in the description down below. Like I said, other recommendation videos will be listed in the description down below. I just don't like repeating myself every time that we do a video like this. And let me know in the comments down below what you have your eye on, because you know I can always add more things to my cart. Let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Oh, the information about the sale. Y'all know Sephora collection will be 30% off. Rouge is 20% off, VIB is 15% off, and then Insiders is 10% off. If you are not signed up, I'll leave that in the description where you can click through to sign up. And the sale runs from November 1st to November 11th for Rouge, and then the 5th to the 11th for VIB and Insiders, and then the 30% off from Sephora, I believe, is also from the 1st to the 11th. Everything that I just talked about will also be in the description down below because I'm just saying it off the top of my head. But yeah, that is it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.